Look, I use stockings too, y'all. I use stockings. Look, this is not sponsored. I'm just saying, y'all. Them knee highs. Y'all look. There's a lot of Reborn artists out here that use these knee highs. I'm just saying. Look. I need some help. Look, I need some help. I need some help. These hey, look. Ooh. This is glass beads that I am putting in here for weight. See, you can use knee highs for all kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? You know what? Oh my gosh! I don't got no scissors by me. I don't got no scissors by me. Sigh. You know what? This is what happens when you don't prepare yourself. When you don't prepare yourself, I use earrings too. Earrings. TTB need them earrings, y'all, to eat. Earrings for the babies, y'all. Earrings. Nah, for real though. I need to find some scissors. It's my sunshine, my only sunshine. Hey, mama. I don't know if you can fit this one, but I usually don't do passies on my toddlers anymore. But this kit right here, she's adorable. And she's adorable with a passy. All right, you guys, I hope you guys are liking this video. If you are, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share and subscribe. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. All righty, y'all. Okay, now this is polyfill that's going inside. And then I will also add some glass beads, which I use for adding weight to the head. I need to pierce your ears, girl. I need to pierce your ears, girl. Hey, mama. Look how she looking. Look how she looking. Hello, baby. Let me push your ear, little baby. She is the Ella Mae Kit. What that look like, y'all? What that look like? I guess a ladybug, but it's yellow. I don't know. Y'all tell me. You know what? All right. I think we're going to do the white. We're going to do the white, girl, because them other two colors ain't going to do nothing for you. We're going to do the white, girl. Okay. Yeah, we is, little baby. Yeah, we is, little baby. Little white ladybugs. Little white ladybugs. The little white ladybugs. Alright, girl. Alright, girl. Shit, don't be falling over. Sit there and be good. Sit there and be good, girl. Don't be doing the most now. Sit there and be good for your take. For your take. Woo! Woo! Hold on. You want your thumb? You want your thumb? You know TT gotta do the most. Hold on. You know TT gotta do the most. Hold on. Why you gotta do the most, TT? You already know. Listen. Listen. Listen, little baby. Listen. You know your teeth. Hold on to your body, girl. Hold on to your body, girl. Hold on to your body. Hold on to your body, girl.